For the base of our soup, we're gonna need half of a purple onion, 2 garlic teeth, 2 large tomatoes, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 yellow bell pepper. When it comes to the base of the soup, I like to get everything into square pieces, and the bell peppers into square pieces, the onions, everything, the garlic even, that way it's easy for the blender and sauteing very nice. Okay, so now we're gonna transfer all the veggies and the onions and the 2 garlic little tucos inside of the blender. Gonna blend it up. The recipe calls for 1 head of a fish, and I went to the local Korean market and I found this salmon head, and I told them if they could clean it for me, so they went ahead and they cleaned it for me as well. Now, this is the crucial part. I like to get the 8 cubes of caldo con sabor de camarón. That way I put 1 inside of the blender with the vegetables that have already been softened and sauteed. And when I am going to be frying the large pieces of fish, such as the head and the crab. So here I am getting 1 cube. You're gonna do half for each I guess eyeball area, and also you're going to massage it inside and out. Make sure to evenly coat it, that way when you fry it the flavors just pop. So what I have here is some baby squid, and all I do is cut off that eye area, and I save that for like another recipe. And then I have shrimp, and I also have some fillet of fish, and then some mussels. But the thing is, you have to get the one with the garlic butter, because you're gonna use that inside of your recipe as like a cheat sheet, you know what I mean? So you're gonna clean everything, make sure everything's ready to go, stick it in the boiling water, and have it sit there for like 15 minutes. Next, I'm going to get the squid head, and I'm going to cut it in little 1-inch pieces. I kind of fold them inside out and get the little spine that they have inside, and I clean them, and then I put them inside boiling water with some salt, like 2 tablespoons of salt. It sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's seafood, it's salty. So we're going to get our fillet of fish and cut them in squares. So right now I'm going to keep an eye on my soup, make sure that the shrimp turns super pink, and that the fillet of fish don't start falling apart, because nobody likes getting random little tiny pieces of fish, and keeping an eye on the salmon. Right now I just put the mussels inside with the butter that comes with it, and then I'll let it boil for like 15 minutes. So I couldn't get a video of me frying the crab because homeboy kept moving around and it was becoming a little dangerous. So what I did was make sure I put the crab with his feet up. That way he doesn't crawl out and, you know, cause a big commotion. And I waited until he turned red, and then I flipped him over and made sure that he's just red all the way around the crab. And then he'll be ready to be transferred to the soup with base that we just made. So this is the color that you want. See, he's still moving. Oh! And we're gonna stick